Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Key. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like button, comment, notification bell, share it, all of that good stuff. We're gonna hop right into today's video, but first I do want to say that I know I haven't, again, been consistent as much as I want to be, but I'm working on it, and I realize that it is people that actually want to see me out here pushing content and being more better because they happen to like me. So I'm definitely gonna work on that. So just wanted to put that out there. So I'm not gonna do as much talking today because I do have an unboxing video to do, and I've been wanting to do this for a minute now. Like, I got these sneakers in May and it is now September and I'm just now reviewing them, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Because not a lot of people did a review on these, and it kind of makes me wonder if people even know about them. So we're gonna get started, and today I will be reviewing the women's Nike Air Force 1 Reveal LX. So don't know if you guys know about this sneaker, but it's basically a Air Force 1 that has some type of material, and the colors is actually under the material. And for you to get to those colors, you have to basically like rip away the material, basically. So that's what it is. It came out on May 27th, 2020. Retail was $110, and now you can get them on GOAT between like $150 and $200. So which isn't bad, I guess, but you know, like I said, I'm guessing retail is that low because, like I said, I don't feel like anyone really paid attention to these, but I did, and I got them, so we're gonna hop right into it. So this is the box, whatever, code, whatever. So it came out with two colors, so I just want to give you guys the color that I have. So this is the color code CJ1650100. Remember that, because like I said, it's two different ones. So opening up the box, this happens to be the packaging. I thought it was pretty dope. Like, when I opened the box, like, I was just expecting a sneaker, but I'm just like, wait, this is like in a whole package. So I thought that was pretty cool. And it says caution, seam ripper, don't actually rip the seams. Sandpaper, don't rub too hard. If you're using a knife, don't cut leather. Don't use a lighter. Just gonna put that away. And it says do let it wear away over time. Try a wet sponge, use your fingernails, and the lace tip can help. Okay, cool. So we're gonna just open up this, we're just gonna open up the package. Like that. Alright. So this is how it's looking. So I guess this is where you can start pulling or cutting or whatever you're doing. I'm also gonna do it on feet after this, so stay tuned. So let's see how we're about to do this. I'm gonna do my left side. I'm only doing one shoe, by the way. So. Okay, this is about to be annoying. I'm expecting it to come off easy, but it's not. So this is where we're at right now. Just play with it a little bit. Oh my god, it's very, very sticky, so just putting that out there. Okay, all right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to be right back. Let me work on this a little bit, and I will show you guys the finished product when it's done. Okay guys, I am back. Thank you for waiting. What I would say about the shoe is that you definitely need to use some strength while you're ripping away, because it's not as easy as it looks. I know it said not to use a lighter, but guys, I did. But I will advise you, if you do use a lighter, please be very, very careful. You don't want to mess up the leather on the bottom of the material. This is what came from it. And it's very sticky too. It was honestly getting me tight. It was getting me tight because it kept like sticking. So yeah, let's look at the final review of the shoe. So remember, this is how it looks. Please don't mind my nails. I need a fill-in. And this is how it looks now. Yes, I am loving it. Yeah, so this is the final review. Like I said, I like the look of this and this. Like, I'm definitely not going to do this one yet, at least anytime soon. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I think this is a really dope shoe. Like, I'm really surprised I didn't have any hype around it, but at the same time I'm glad, because I've been taking nothing but L's, trust me. So when I got to get my hands on these, I thought it was amazing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the shoe, and would you buy the shoe? If you do get the shoe, are you gonna tear away both shoes? Or it says you could wear them until, like, you know, eventually the material is gonna come off. Would you do that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the end of the video, because I am going to be showing how these look on feet. Thank you so much, guys.